Hey everyone, Ross here. Today, we'll go over integrating your Facebook ads account into your monday.com workflow. With this integration, you'll be able to collect leads, manage campaigns more effectively, and gather meaningful data all in one place. Before we dive in, it's important to point out that you need to have a Facebook business account for this to work. Okay, let's check it out. Our marketing team is running ad campaigns based on the initiatives they plan for the year. We want to pull in the ads data to better understand the impact of each campaign and optimize our marketing spend. To kick off the Facebook integration, we'll need to start with the data import, which can be found from the profile menu here. Setting up the connection takes just a couple of steps. Once you select the relevant ad account, you'll land on a board with all the campaigns created in the last 2 years that are live. That's all it takes to activate the integration. The default cadence is to sync campaigns to items every day, but that can easily be changed. Click on into the item menu here to see what information Monday's pulling in. Pro tip, we can sync even more. Just add a new numbers column and see the loads of ad metrics we're able to grab from Facebook. Pretty cool, right? With everything set up, sit back and watch all that sweet data flow in. Best of all, set up powerful reporting tools and a dashboard to visualize your data and assist with future decisions. With the countless widgets available, really bring your data to life. Marketing teams can gain valuable insights on campaigns and ad sets and really answer those tough questions. Do we get more clicks with dogs or cats in our ads? Collecting lead form submissions is a touch different, but just as easy to set up. First, set up a board with the fields you want to collect from your form. Once everything is ready to go, find the Facebook integration app within the integrations menu and select the third recipe here. Follow the steps to log into Facebook like we did earlier, or choose the account that you're already logged into. From here, select the Facebook form you want to pull into the board. Then, click Item here to map the form to your monday.com board. Now, each time someone fills out the Facebook form, a lead will be generated on your board. Capitalize and strike while the iron is hot with automations. Here, we'll send a warm email right away with Gmail or Outlook integrations once a lead comes in. And we'll notify a sales rep if it's a qualified lead. So it's more than just collecting leads. Turn entries into action and get a head start on the sales process. And there you have it. With the Facebook ads integration, streamline your marketing workflow in monday.com. Drive ad campaign decisions by visualizing data in dashboards, and pass off sales leads without lifting a finger. Enjoy! Click here for more on monday.com.